There are lots of different ways to color correct your images in Photoshop. Some are easier than others, and many of them actually can take quite a long time. But the technique we're going to look at here literally takes about 30 seconds and works with the majority of images. All that you need is something in the scene or the photograph that should be white or a neutral tone like grey, and then it works really well. So to get started, you just need to press I on the keyboard to activate the eyedropper tool, and just make sure that the sample size is set to 3x3 average, because this gives us a really nice reliable average sample, and sample should be set to current and below, which is especially important if you have layers already in place. So this image here, it's definitely too warm and the wall behind the baby should be white. So I'm going to just left mouse click on that background there, and that's giving me a color in the foreground. So now if I go down to the adjustment layer icon and select solid color from the list of options, so usually by default when the color picker opens it will be set to H, which is for hue, but we want to look at the brightness at this point. So we're just going to take this slider here all the way up to the top and then just hit OK. And then to apply the color correction effect, we just need to change the blending mode from normal to divide. And then if I toggle between these two, you'll see how we've neutralized that warm tone in the image. There's not a problem with the warm tone, but it's more stylistic than realistic. This is exactly how the shot was taken. Quite often, the effect can be too strong at 100% opacity. So taking it down anywhere from 50 to about 75% gives you a really nice result. So for this shot, I'm just going to take it down to 75%. So we're letting through some of that original cast, but not completely neutralizing it, which I think produces a much more realistic result. So that is how to color correct any image in Photoshop in 30 seconds.